Alright guys, good morning. Today we're up and early and we're going to finish up the look we've started actually a year and a half ago, almost two, on the Challenger, and got a new stripe kit. We're going to install it. We're back at CCR Automotive. Christina is inside waiting for us, so let's go. Vasily!
Yes, sir.
How's it going, buddy?
Very good yourself.
Am I at Nick Auto or am I at the CCR Automotive? I don't know anymore. Good to see you. So is this your new shop here?
Yeah, for now, yeah. That's the shop.
Okay.
Mechanics and wraps.
Mechanics and wraps, eh? Good. Well, it's good to see you back on the YouTube, actually. Is this going to be your first? Yeah. You're going to have to start your own channel now.
Yeah.
Have you thought about it, or?
Yes and no. I mean,
we have one with one video only.
Yeah, one video, yeah.
Well, then you're going to be a second one, I guess.
It's going to come.
Okay, well, good for you. I'm happy that you're opening your shop. Well, actually, you're joining in with Christina. You see Christina here putting her magic hands. So what do you think about my stripe kit?
It's good.
Yeah, this is the 3M. They call it the new, they used to be the 1080. Now it's 2080.
Yes.
What's the difference?
They really upgraded a lot. Like the 1080 is more, especially like metallics, it feels more dry and it'll crack easier. And the 2080 is really no problem. Plus they have like a plastic film on top where you won't scratch the wrap. Not that it scratches, but like surface scratches that I can remove with heat. Well, now I can just peel that off.
Really?
Yeah, very good now.
For the application, has it changed a bit, or it's the same?
Yeah, I find it makes it easier now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Like it. So have you done this setup before on the Challenger? Because I know you told me you've done quite a few, but... Not
this sticker. I always do like the middle ones or a full hood. Now I'm excited to see what this will give.
All right, for those of you interested in seeing where I got those at promotorstripes.com. Thank you for your purchase. Sales at ProMotorStripe was pretty easy. We went back and forth with the customer service because they didn't have. I think they have a few hundred sorts of stripes that are available for the Challengers. But if you want to have a specific color like this one was, which is the charcoal. Metallic.
Yeah.
I needed to custom order it, and I had to go back and forth with them, get the pricing right and everything. So they were pretty easy to deal with.
And it was quick?
It was fairly quick. Yeah, it took about 10 days to get home, and 3 days before they shipped it. So yeah, I guess total 14 days, 12 to 14 days. Look at this. Beautiful. Good job. It looks great. Let's check it from the inside if we see them. Like them?
I love them.
You do? All right. I like them too. They're really nice. All right, so next it's going to be the front grille. Oh, got a call here. All right, so we're getting in the touchy stuff. Obviously, the front grille is the part that it's a little bit more touchy and difficult. Let's see how it's going. So you almost finished one side?
Yes, almost.
How difficult is it?
It's not fun. It's pretty hard to do these grills, honestly. Especially since there's no room on top, there's no room on the bottom to get in there.
Yeah, we discussed about taking the grills out, but the grill means that you have to take the whole bumper out,
Yep.
which is a half an hour job, and then you still have the grill to take out, which is another 10, 15 minutes to take out of the grill. So you're adding a couple of hours to the work just to have a little bit more space.
Exactly. So it just take a little bit longer, but
Yeah. So how are you doing? Are you doing one piece, two piece, three piece?
I did one piece out here like this, and now I did the interior, and then I just have the surface to do another piece.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So the surface done now? Just
No,
the top of it, huh?
just the top of it, and then
You
the
see
rest.
the corner here, okay.
Yeah.
You see the difference here, the top versus the other top. How fast is your Chevelle now?
I'm in the nines, in the low nines right now.
That's a quarter mile, but you're doing some 8-mile racing, aren't you?
Yeah, that's right.
What class is that?
It's the no time heads up.
Heads up. Oh, so you win, you pass, you continue, and then you lose, you're out.
That's it. Yeah.
That's pretty exciting.
You gotta be quick at the lights. There's no can't make no mistakes.
What do you got there in the background?
Here we have an IROC that we
86, 87?
83.
83.
Yes, and I just installed a turbo kit. It's not done yet. We still have some custom stuff to do, some custom piping but it's getting there. It's getting there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting there.
So how many hours does it take to build this custom kit?
So far, a minute at about close to 70 hours.
That much, eh?
Yeah,
Wow.
but that's including taking apart the old stuff and putting back everything else.
Yeah, obviously it's a lot of work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. And also we had some other stuff to do on the car.
So what's the setup here, the turbo?
It's a small block Chevy stroked out with 3.3, which was built from Nick's garage. I'd say only 4 or 5 years ago.
Okay.
And the turbo is it's a precision 76mm turbo.
There it is.
Yeah.
Right.
And the kit is it's basically from a small block Chevy. It's by CX Racing.
So is it already a
It's pre-manufactured kit, but it wasn't 100%. So we have to make some custom like the pipe. We have to make custom pipes to make them fit nice. On the bottom too, where it connects from the turbo to the intercooler. And we upgraded the fuel system. Got a special blow-through carburetor for it. And here a little stuff here and there. We put the electric fan so we can clear the crossover pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's getting there slowly.
So is this the main focus you're having as well, performance car, or are you gonna work on any type of car? Just
Any type of car, whatever I can do, we do. I mean, regular performance, whatever we can do, we'll do.
It's 10 times better. Look at the sparkle there. Ooh. It's good, eh? Good job, Christina. Can't even tell there's 2-3 parts in there. There's 3 or 2 parts?
I'm not sure.
It's 1. It's 1 part. I mean, the RT really pops out a lot more now. Yeah. A little bit more sinister, eh? Not too much, just a bit. Great job, thank you. It's always a pleasure dealing with you.
Always a pleasure. Until next time.
The silly, so if somebody wants to juice their car, you're the guy to see, eh? What are you hiding in that cabinet? What are you hiding there, eh?
There's some secrets.
Some secrets, eh?
When it comes to nitrous, I think, yeah.
Oh. Bottle filling, eh? That's good. All right. Well, the best of luck to you two guys in your new adventure there and your new shop. Hopefully you can find what you're looking for, a bigger shop. You're looking for a 4-space with a couple of lifts and alignment and dyno and all the good stuff, eh?
That's all the goodies.
Oh, that's great. Well, all the best to you guys.
Thank you.
Mike, I appreciate it.